Alright, what's going on, guys? Bluesmith here, got another video for you guys, and it's an updated video on fixing the R4, the widescreen. Now, everybody hates this widescreen. It's a widescreen of doom. So, basically, what it is, if you guys do not know what it is, it's basically, when you go into the R4 to launch a game, it won't launch. It'll register the game as untitled, and when you launch it, it's just a widescreen, and it won't load anything. This happens literally almost every game if you do not get the correct file or the correct things that you need. So obviously, let's just get right into it, get started. And so yeah, obviously you're gonna need an R4. I don't know why I repeat it. Obviously, it has to be one of these versions because the problem is mainly in these. If you have one of these, let's see if this thing can focus. Whatever. This is one of the newer ones, like R4 SDHC, but this is one of the original ones. This one is made for NDS or NDS Lite, but if you have any like this, that's made by the same people, chances are you're going to get the widescreen. So today I'll be teaching you how you can solve that. And so obviously you're going to need an R4. One of the important things you're going to need is a 2 gig micro SD. I already have it in there, but that is one of the most important things you're going to need. A 2 gigabyte. It cannot exceed 2 gigabytes, otherwise it will not work. I swear it will not work. You're going to need 2 gigabytes. Next thing you're going to need is obviously a micro SD adapter, and the final thing is your computer. So let's move to my computer and get started. Alrighty guys, I'm back off my computer on my NDS. So we got the micro SD in here. We're gonna put it into the R4. We got our original DS because it's made for the original NDS, but yours can be for whatever it was made for. We're gonna put it in now. Alright, let's power it on. It should automatically boot up. You don't have to touch the touchscreen, and it should bring you to something like this. Tap the micro SD card, tap your games folder, and you can just tap the game and it should work. But for like Pokemon Black 2 and White 2, first it might give you a white screen. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your settings by pressing start, and you wanna just scroll, and you want to turn, go to patches and turn both of them off. Turn reset and cheat in game off, and let's launch it and see if it works. Sorry about the messed up screen, guys. This is how my DS is. It's not part of the actual thing. So there, guys. Thank you for watching. Please remember to rate, comment, subscribe for more videos, and peace out.